Do you want to know how I made this beautiful balloon engagement ring? If you do, please stick around and I will show you how. Hi guys, welcome to FemMNY. If you're new to this channel, we're glad to have you here. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. And to all the subscribers out there, thank you guys so much for coming back. And thank you for joining me. For today's video, I have another balloon design. This would be a centerpiece. So we'll be using this wire right here. And this is the wire that I use. And we'll put the materials that we have here in the description down below. Like that. So I cut a little piece, shaped it into a round, and then what we're gonna do is bend this just enough so it'll meet like that. Shape this into a perfect circle, and then I have this circular wood that I bought from, I think, either Lowe's. I got this from Lowe's or Home Depot, and I have this one as well. So as I said, all the materials that we use will be in the description down below. So we'll attach this here and we'll screw this on. And then we have this little piece. Alright, so just like that, shape it nice and round. Like that. And then we'll put this right in the center. Then once we get that, we'll attach this using our balloon 260. There you go, and then just shape this nice and round. And now we'll inflate our balloon. So we have this machine. If you want to know where we get this, please visit our Amazon storefront, right on the link in the description down below. And we'll inflate this. So stretch your 260 balloon. So I have two I inflate. So I left some hanging here. Put this here. Tie these two together. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just wrap this right on the base. Now we'll make some beads. So I'm gonna make a pinch and then twist. Like about 2 fingers. The same. Pinch and twist. Pinch and twist. I got about 4. Wrap this here. And then pull this right on your arm. You'll make this one as well. Same. You pinch and then twist. Pinch and twist. Pinch and twist. Make sure you put another twist. Okay, so just like that, you wrap this on the side. Just like that, and then continue on. Okay? So again, hold on to one of the balloons, continue your beads. Hold on to your one of the hand, continue the other side. So just like that. So hold on to this, never let go, and then wrap this towards your wire. Ain't that nice, guys? So that's what you do, just wrap this. Just like that. So you do this until you get to the whole ring. So for now, we will connect another balloon. So for now, I'm gonna tie this here for now, temporarily. Leave it there for now, temporarily, and now we'll inflate another two. Now we'll unwrap this and then we'll splice. So remember, never let go of your balloon. I'll connect this here. Alright, so now we'll continue on our beads. So we're on the last one for now, so I'm gonna twist this for now and attach this here. Okay. It's better if you put something that can hold on to. So like this clip, you can attach this here and like a stopper. So it stays there for now. We'll inflate some more. All right, let's continue on. Alright, so let's continue on. Splice this and then twist. So when you twist this, make sure it's on the same direction when you twist them. I'm almost done here, but it's not quite, so I'm gonna inflate another one. So we'll splice this. So let's continue this on until we get to the bottom part right here, until we connect them all. There goes our ring. So this time we will use our pool noodle. We'll cover this part right here. So we'll cut it right here. I'm gonna cut this. Put it like that. And then this will attach here. We'll wrap this. Alright, so we got our glue gun right here, and we have our pool noodle. I have a fishing line right here. I feed it through in here. So we have the fishing line inside. I'll wrap this here and then tie your fishing line. I'm gonna attach or connect this two together like that using our glue gun. So now we need our foil star balloon. So we'll shape this into a diamond like this. So how you shape it like this, I will show you using this star foil balloon. So what I did to shape it like this is we need our sealer. Right, so we have our star foil balloon. We'll fold this in half. We have our sealer, and I set this to around 5. And we'll seal this. Once I'm done, cut the excess. So you have that shape. Okay, so we'll inflate this. Again, using our inflator. Just like that. So we'll only need one. All right, so we got this one, and now we need our 260 balloon. Okay, I'll wrap this here. So I'll make like just a little ring. Just like this. Add a little donut. Put this in the center. And then we need to inflate 2 of our 260 on the side. You need 2 of this. There you go, we get 2, and then we got this. So we'll put this in the center, just like that, and we'll be using balloon glue dots to attach it with. Then we'll put this right in the center. Let it set there, and then this 2 will be on the side. We also use balloon glue dots. Right there. And we'll put this right on top. And again, we'll use balloon glue dots to attach to here. Ain't that beautiful, guys? Alright, so we'll put this on the side. Now it's time to decorate the base. Alright, so we got some flowers here. We will just have to spread this around and just stick this in here. And there you go, guys, it's finally done. This is our balloon engagement ring. I hope you like this and learned something from this video today. If you do like this, please give us a thumbs up. And if you're still here, you probably like this video. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Ain't that beautiful? And on the side, so this would be perfect for a centerpiece. Alright, guys, once again, this is FemMNY. We will see you guys in the next video. Take care and have a wonderful day. Bye.